Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFLT, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. For now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Omo hear report say for that Copa trophy wey Bukayo Saka no win, say stars like maybe Ronaldinho and Rivaldo say dem vote for Bukayo Saka, say dem scam the guy, say this guy na good player, very nice player. I know say this Copa trophy na award wey dem dey give under 21 players wey dey very good all over the world, you get. So they get first, second, third, and if like say Bukayo Saka collect third or so. So and people wey dey vote this thing na people wey don win Ballon d'Or before. Na them, only them, na they eligible to vote for players. So for the list where Ronaldinho writes, Saka dey for third. For the list where Rivaldo writes, Saka dey for third. So just they have to say at least this kind of stars, they don't scare this our boy future. They don't say the guy dey very good, even though Saka no win the competition. Because person can win and a Pedri of Barcelona. Na the only person will win the competition with that. So we dey very happy for Saka. On my Money Spirit, they let us know say Arsenal dey in talks to sign Denis Zakaria of Borussia Mönchengladbach. So they don't reason the guy agents. So they would like to sign this guy at the end of the summer. So by then he go don be free agent. And this guy himself dey very interested in playing for EPL. The guy won't play for Arsenal. He come to Arsenal, only Arsenal and they reason the guy matters. And the guy na bullish defender for the middle of the park. The guy good gone. So well, everything at the end of the summer, we'll know how we'll add one or two people for that our midfield. Either a creative spark and a defensive-minded player. No dey watch. Paul Robinson don come outside dey talk say Aaron Ramsdale don really surprise am for this season. And wetin make this guy surprise am is say if you check Aaron Ramsdale CV, you go see say this guy don play for team wey go relegation like 2 or 3 times, you get. So that's why people no really reason the matter like saying be good goalkeeper, because he don play for Bournemouth and dem go relegation, play for Sheffield United, dem go relegation. So wetin be the guarantee say if he come Arsenal, he go come help them. That is why when he even come Arsenal, a lot of Arsenal fans say, hey whoa, Arsenal don dey go relegation. No. So he himself follow for people wey criticize the guy, say he look the guy like shit packer, but at the end of the day now, see the kind of performances wey the guy come dey do, and say really dey surprised like for person to dey consistent, dey pulling saves match after match, week after week, you get. Come even pursue Ben Leno. So now wetin the guy go dey scared and how to pursue Jordan Pickford for the way the guy dey play. Even Jordan Pickford now sef no dey informed because Everton don dey winless in more than 10 games. Like they don be big shit packer. Everton dey fight relegation battle now. So that's why I talk say him get hope say Ramsdale go fit take over that one. Well, na our prayer be that make Ramsdale be England #1 keeper when they go dey go World Cup next year. He go sweet my belle go. Arteta do media conference yesterday against the match they go play against Everton and the state of the players and the state of the club. So one of the questions wey they ask him now about Emile Smith Rowe. You know, so for the match against Manchester United, Emile Smith Rowe come dey limp out. So they come dey ask me that Arteta say wetin dey sup with the guy, na shey he get injury abi no get injury. So Arteta come dey talk say for now say he no really know, say the guy dey in pain, he get him dey under in discomfort, you get. So wetin they go do be say they go use the physios make dem assess am. So the physios go know wetin dey worry am. Then they go still use today again, look am, then they go know whether he go play the match they go play against Everton tomorrow. Then na today be final assessment day, they go check am, know whether he dey in huge pain, abi na just small tingling sensation, you get. Then abi whether na cramps. Then once they don't know wetin dey sup, then you go inform them, they go know how they go take select their own team. So more get patience. Na till what we see line up, we know whether na small thing abi na major thing. At the same time, like when they ask me, Arteta say wetin be the mood of the team now? We know when they play against Manchester United, they can't lose 3-2. Say how the team will recover. So Baba come talk say as the team dey now, say they no fit cry over spilt milk. It don't happen, say it don't happen. But generally, the team dey disappointed with the way they take throw away the game. So obviously, then let them throw away the game by themselves now, because game when you don't go for the scruff of the neck, you don't dey dominant. So that's second half, you don't play very well. All of a sudden, they can't throw away the game. So then they disappointed and sad. But they will learn their lessons from the match. They move forward. So they don't get choice that and to move forward. Then do now. At the same time, they dey ask Mikel Arteta say wetin dey sup na. This one wey be say e dey hard una to beat any team wey dey for the top 6. Una don lose against Chelsea, una don lose against Man City, now una don lose against Man U, even though una beat Leicester, una beat Tottenham Hotspur. So wetin dey sup na? Why e be say all those some kind big teams dey hard una to beat them? So Baba come talk say some na exception, like you no fit compare like Man City and Chelsea now and Liverpool. Those ones dey be senior men na dey dey on another level, you get. But you see this Manchester United, we had the performance, we just lost the 3 points. Like the way Baba take categorize am, because make we no lie, myself I say am, we played very well for this Manchester United game. Like we no deserve to lose. That's just the truth of the matter, because that penalty is supposed to give us our own penalty, at least it will be 3-3. So we no deserve to lose. So that Baba said we talk say we gave our best, we played very well, we show performance, confirm performance, but we know at the end of the day, we no go home with the 3 points, we go home with 0 points. Now wetin to sup with that? At the same time, they ask Mikel Arteta say, how in dey feel? Now this one be say Aubameyang never score in the last 5 games. They add this one make am feel. So Baba come talk say, na true say Aubameyang never score in the last 5 games. And every coach wants to make a striker dey score for them. Say even Aubameyang sef know say the team depend on am, but at the same time say the guy dey try all im best. Just be say e no dey click for am right now. But apart from scoring, say Baba dey do other things for us. No, just dey try defend am one kind. So we no know wetin we go talk sha, but e don happen be say don happen. The guy no dey score. So the next thing now for everybody right now, shey you go drop am abi you no go drop am. For you to have that confidence, get that authoritativeness to drop Kylian Tierney, call him play Tavares. Why you no go fit drop Alba? Some people dey bring another argument from another angle, say Aubameyang na our captain. So for that reason, you no supposed to drop your talisman. You get unto say na captain make it dey play. I don't know. Shey they put am for law say captain is a sacred cow. Say if you know dey play well, you go still live am there. I don't know which law that one dey. If they don't play well, you know this at the end of the day they go sack Arteta. They no go sack. They no dey sack captain now. At the end of the day, they go sack Arteta. So wetin na those wey dey bring that argument, where that from get that idea from? So me I no understand. At the same time, they ask Mikel Arteta about January transfer window. Say how far now? Wetin na the reason for January? So Baba come to say, for now they know the reason January. See then they okay with the squad wey dem get. You get, say they go use the squad wey dem. It just be like say Arteta dey whine us sha. I no understand. Make I help believe say dey whine us. You no wan let the cat out of the bag, because which one be say you are okay with the squad you have? Which squad you have? You get striker. Say you are okay with the squad you have. So make I just believe saying the why not. No one let us know wetin dey sup behind the scene. I just take am like that for now. EPL clubs dey consider to insert COVID-19 vaccine, not just COVID-19 vaccine, vaccination for contract. Like all the players, if there's a vaccine wey be say dey mandatory or dey compulsory, or wey human being wey go help humanity, wey people need to survive, they go insert am for the contract. Say if vaccine dey, you go take am. Just like for US now, when enter military enlistment now, they don put am say anything vaccine. You no go talk say I don't want to take vaccine. If na 100 vaccine dey against 100 viruses, you go take all of them. Na just vaccination. But this COVID-19 own, a lot of hypocrisy, a lot of controversy don surround am. People no dey take am. So dem dey reason say they no fit dey get unvaccinated and dey vaccinated. E go dey cause controversy. And now we don get another variant now. We wan dey scatter things. This Omicron now. Those wey no even get vaccination at all, then they at risk to infect others. Get at least if you don collect small vaccine, na if you still give you one kind protective layer. So they think of inserting vaccine for players' contract, so that whether you like am or yes, you must take the vaccine. But we never know how the players' association will take this one, or how the fans' association will take this one. I'm going to watch how the story go unfold. So my dear football lovers, now here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time when they see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon way there. Toggle up so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.